Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this amazing text effect in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. I already created a new project. First, I just changing the background color to something cool, and then go into the app and start to type depth. I need this app depth text. I open this, and here you can find lots of different presets for amazing artwork. But now I'm looking for this last one, and the only thing what we need is we just need to change the text. We can also play with a font type. We can also play with the alignments. We can left, center, middle, the right. We can also change the spacing if we want. We can rotate. We can edit the rotation. Here we have a different kind of letter fields. If I find it again, sorry. The star, heart, wave. I use this circle to get this effect. We can change the letter field colors. We can also change the projection. We also change the projection color. We can add outline. We can add special effect like letter stretch, line tilt, line separation. Here we also can change the layout, but I don't want to change it at the moment. So here is lots of different settings what we can use when we can play with it. But now I just add to design. And here we go. I just increase the size. And here actually had the same, just I just zoomed out a bit, not even a bit, and just move down like this. And here I created this effect. And now you can see I just play with this spacing, and now it really looks the two texts are attached, and so it's also a pretty cool effect. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you will like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section first of all to feed the algorithm and let me reach more and more people with my tutorials. Of course, if you have any question or struggling anything in Canva, just let me know in the comment section and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description where you can find links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages where you can find lots of another great tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. List in the Facebook page, and of course in the Instagram and TikTok pages you can find short forms of Canva tutorials. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.